Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Snow accumulation problems are simple once you see the trick. We just integrate the rate function over our specific time interval to finish. First, we identify that the rate of snow falling is given by a specific function. To find the total amount of snow, we must calculate the definite integral of that rate.
Next, we set up our integral from 3 to 6 hours using the function t to the 3/2 power times e to the negative t over 2. Let's solve it. Evaluating this integral numerically gives approximately 2.961. This matches our target value perfectly, so we are ready to pick the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust the given values and check your steps.